I want to smell edible. I literally want to smell like a dessert. Like you can take a bite out of my arm. And I also want those scents to last all day long. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this. Ever since I uploaded my feminine hygiene routine video a couple months ago, I have had so many requests to do an updated version. And lately I have been so into warm vanilla and brown sugar scents. Like I gravitate towards the scents that smell so good. I want to eat them because that's exactly what I want to smell like. We have a lot to talk about in this video, so let's get started. To start off, you do not need to spend a lot of money to smell good and look clean. So pretty much every single product I'm going to talk about in this video is under $10. I'm going to start off with my shower routine. I shower pretty much every single day, not necessarily to wash my hair, but to rinse off and wash my body. I like to start with a clean base every single day. So to do that, I love the Dove bars of soap. These smell so good. I like using these to wash off the nastiness and start with a super clean base. I've talked about the original scent before. It smells so clean and fresh. Honestly, the original is probably my favorite, but I've also been using the Shea Butter vanilla scent, and this is perfect for the topic of today's video. It's like a fresh and clean scent mixed with a warm vanilla. Both of these are the best. They're super clean and light. I literally cannot shower without these. So to follow up with the bar of soap, I like to use a liquid soap. And of course, when I use the Dove Shea Butter Beauty Bar, I have to follow up with the matching Dove Shea Butter liquid soap. I love this combination. And what I love about layering the beauty bar with the liquid soap is it sticks to your skin. Like after I get out of the shower, I can smell my arm and still smell the soap. It just smells so good when you double layer these two products. I have to say Dove has some of the best scents. My second favorite is the pink one. It's like a super floral scent. I smelled it in one of my last videos and I think that's the one I'm gonna get next. But honestly, the key to smelling good and locking in your scent for the entire day is to layer. So I love layering this beauty bar with the matching liquid soap, but you guys are gonna see I have a couple different combinations. I like to use the complete collection as the ultimate combo for smelling good all day, but you really only need one scent set. I just wanted to show you guys all of my favorites. This is like my entire collection, all of the ones that I gravitate towards. So I pair all of the scents from the collection together and you guys are gonna see how I layer. So since the topic of this video is smelling edible like a dessert, I got out all of my favorite vanilla, cozy, warm, sugary scents. I like to take the body wash and apply it with a body sponge. This feels so good. I mainly like to use this on my legs and arms. And when I say my skin has never been so smooth, this just makes my skin feel so soft and so good. I have been loving using this. And I also feel like it helps to lock in the scent even more. I also have the Lush Sticky Dates. This one smells like a sweet vanilla with a mix of this syrupy toffee. And then I have the ultimate vanilla scent, which is the EOS Vanilla Cashmere. This one is more of like a gentle whipped vanilla with a cozy caramel scent. And then lastly, and the most random, I have this Victoria's Secret Pink Vanilla Bean and Coconut Oil. This is the most random, but I promise they are worth talking about. This is the product that inspired this entire video. I have to talk about my favorite body scrubs. This is the best body scrub I have ever used in my life. The Dove Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter. If there's any product you're gonna take away from this video, let it be this one. So insanely good. This is my second one. Like this smells like dessert. I want to take a spoon and eat this straight from the container. I also just love the consistency of it. It's like very soft and satisfying when you scrub it into your skin. And I want this scent in a perfume. I want it in a body butter. I want this scent in every single product. I am so in love. So this is my go-to, that's for sure. But I also have to mention the Sticky Dates body scrub. I like using this one to follow up from the Sticky Dates shower gel. This sugar scrub is really good too. It smells amazing. It's a sweet toffee scented buttery sugar scrub with glossy syrup from Dates. These are a little bit more. I think these were like $20. Lastly, when it comes to exfoliating, I have to mention the Scrubby from Lush. This is the cutest little exfoliating product. It's shaped like a little bee, and this is like the ultimate exfoliator and body butter rolled into one. And this melts into your skin, leaving it so smooth when you get out of the shower. My skin is like glistening when I get out of the shower. It also smells so good. The Lush product products that I mentioned throughout this video are definitely the most expensive, but Lush products smell so unlike any other products. I can't even describe how this smells. It's just so amazing. My mom started buying these when I was in middle school, and ever since I've been so in love. And they also recently released this shower gel that is the exact same scent as the scrubby. So this is the perfect combination. Also, I'm obsessed with using these. Just go into Lush and smell this. It smells so good. Lastly, in the shower, I want to talk about my shave routine. I honestly keep this very simple. So typically, as I've talked about, when it comes to shaving, I never buy shaving cream. I use literally anything else in place of it, whether that's body wash or my conditioner. I'll even just sometimes use the Dove beauty bars and like lather it up so that I can shave with that. But I recently discovered the EOS Vanilla Cashmere Shave Oil, and I actually really like it. And it goes perfectly when I use the entire scent together. Again, the main premise of this video is to layer. And I love using a shave oil, especially in these sensitive areas. This leaves my skin looking so soft. There's no razor bumps or irritation. So I do love a good shave oil. So moving on to outside of the shower, this is where I really lock in and secure the scents that I just applied. And I do this by using a body butter. So I have all the matching body lotions right here. First is the EOS Vanilla Cashmere Whipped Oil Butter. This smells like a marshmallow, like exactly like a marshmallow. It smells so good. I am obsessed with this scent, so I love using this one. And for ultimate soft skin, I like to combine a body butter with a body oil. I like using the Johnson's baby oil. This is the shea and cocoa butter. I'll just scoop out a little bit of this, and then I'll put a couple drops of this baby oil. I'll warm it up in my hands and apply it to my skin, and it feels insane. When I put this combination on my legs before bed, my legs feel so good in my sheets when I go to bed. So insanely soft. So this Victoria's Secret body lotion stands out a lot amongst all of these products because let me tell you, I get so many compliments when I use these. When I apply body lotion, I like to focus it on my chest and neck area because that is where people are going to be smelling it the most. And also, like, I can smell it right here. So these Victoria's Secret vanilla body products have to be talked about. I bought these super randomly. It was a really good deal. I got like 3 for $20. So I was like, okay, why not? The vanilla body wash is delish, but these are like the ultimate products to layer. I go in with the body lotion, and then right after that, I spray on the matching hair and body mist right over top where I just put that lotion, and it is just the perfect combination. They layer so well together and they stick, and the scent lasts for the entire day. I got complimented the other day when I was wearing these two together. It was literally this girl at the cafe that I go to. She could smell the vanilla scent all the way from the other side of the counter, and when I told her it was this set, she was like, really? And I was like, yeah, it is so random. The Sticky Dates collection is no different. I'll use the body lotion and then this Sticky Dates body spray. I'll put the lotion everywhere and then spray the body spray right on top. But the only thing I don't like is this body spray is so like aggressive with the sprayer. Like, this is not a mist. I hold it out and it's like, shh, like a huge spray. I'll show you right now, look. Okay, that didn't, okay, I'm being really dramatic, but like, that is like a big spray. Like, there's no way to make it a mist. It's literally like just a big spray. Anyway, so I love a good body lotion and body spray combination. Now that we finished talking about literally every single body product I could possibly talk about, I forgot step number 1, which is the dry brush. Of course, I forgot to mention my dry brush. This is literally the first thing I do. Pretend this is what I'm talking about first. I use this before I get in the shower because you're supposed to use it on dry skin. And I basically just brush all of my skin in circular motions. You're supposed to dry brush your body in a specific way. Like, there's a technique, there's like a pattern in like the direction you're supposed to go. This helps so much with lymphatic drainage, with bloating, and it also just leaves my skin glowing, like glistening. I'm in love with using this. It also just feels so good. So this is the first thing I do. Literally the first thing I do. So that is it for my entire body care routine, start to finish. I wanted to show you guys literally every product that I've gravitated towards. So next, I want to talk about hair. I have been on a healthy hair journey for a couple months now. I don't want to talk too much about my hair care, but I definitely want to talk about my favorite hair scents and how I get my hair to smell really good, because I think when your hair smells really good, it also stands out so much. Let me give you an example. When you hug someone, you're smelling this area, but you're very much smelling their hair. So I have a couple products that I discovered that has really transformed how good my hair smells. So I've experimented with a couple different shampoos and conditioners. This Lush conditioner smells so good. I'll use my favorite hair masks. I have a couple different detangling and heat protectant sprays. This Kenra blow dry spray smells amazing. I love it so much. I also love a good hair oil, but when it comes to your hair smelling good all day long, I think the key is the hairspray that you top off your hair with. So I have two to show you here right now. This one is the reason I wanted to talk about hair scents. My hair is straight right now, but I've been wearing my natural curly hair a lot more lately, and I've been hearing so many good things about the Lush Super Milk. This is a conditioning hair primer with almond, coconut, and oat milk to hydrate and seal moisture into your hair, and it especially helps with naturally curly hair. But regardless, I spray this in my hair every single day. This smells so good. It's like a warm honey scent, but then it has this very subtle hint of lemon, and it just smells so good. Again, Lush has scents unlike anywhere else. Like, I don't even know how to describe this. It just smells amazing. So I don't just use this when I have my naturally curly hair. I actually use it all the time. Even right now when my hair is straight, I love it because it adds a little bit of texture. I got multiple compliments this last weekend because I had this in my hair, and no one even knows what it is they're smelling. They just know it smells good. I love this product so much. I used a mini one first, and then I had to upgrade to the bigger size, but this makes my hair smell so good. And again, when you hug people, like, that is where I get complimented, because I'll hug someone and they smell my hair and like everything I have going on that I just talked about, and they're like, oh my God, you smell so good. Yeah, and again, no matter how your hair is textured, I like to use it anyway. I also have this Gizu hair perfume. This is the honey infused hair perfume, and I love the idea of a hair perfume so much because some days I just don't have time to wash my hair. My hair is actually so thick, so it takes me forever to wash it and dry it and style it. So on the days that I just don't have time, I like to spray in a little bit of hair perfume just to get it smelling really good. I think your hygiene is the key to smelling good all day long, because it doesn't really matter what perfumes you use. You definitely have to be clean, but realistically, there are days I don't have time to wash my hair, so having a little hair perfume always helps. Now we're gonna move on to a little bit more of the random things I wanted to talk about in this video. When it comes to skincare, I didn't want to go over my entire skincare routine, just the two products that stand out to me the most to have glowing, soft skin. Number one is Vaseline. Look at this huge tub. I use it every single day. I like using Vaseline on my lips and also any dry spots on my face. I recently purchased the Rhode Glazing Milk. I love using this. I do my makeup every single day, and it's hard to find a skincare product that works underneath makeup, and this one works amazing. I love it. Even when I don't wear makeup, I like using this because it makes my skin look so glowy, like underneath. I also wanted to talk about the deodorant I use. I like using a spray-on deodorant because I don't like the deodorant getting on my clothes. The Dove Rose Petals dry spray is my favorite. I've had a bunch of these cans. It smells really good, clean, fresh, and floral. But I also really like this one. This is the Athena Super Pink Full Body Deodorant dry spray. It's mandarin, orchid, and vanilla scented, and this smells so good. These last couple things are very random. First being a hand cream. This is the L'Occitane hand cream in this orchid scent. It smells so good. I love putting this on after I do my makeup. It makes me feel completely yum all around. When you put on a Delish hand cream and it makes your hands smell really good, I feel like it's just the perfect topper to the full smell good routine. So I love this one from L'Occitane. It's like an orchid floral scent. I'm gonna put some on right now. I don't necessarily have dry hands. I just want my hands to smell really good. And your hands are like always doing stuff around you, so when they smell good, it's like that scent is like waving right to me. I don't know. And then speaking of hand scents, I love using the Bath & Body Works foaming hand soap. This one is the Springtime Greenhouse. This is again like a fresh floral scent. I specifically like using these, one, because they're foaming, so they're super fun. It just makes washing your hands more fun. But number two, the scent of these foaming hand washes smells so good. They stick to your hands. And after I wash and dry my hands, I can still smell the soap when I smell my hand. So it's very random. Again, we're talking about hand scents now, but it does make a difference. So very last thing I wanted to talk about is laundry beads. When I put in my laundry to my wash machine, I add in my laundry soap and also these scent beads. These are expensive, I will not lie. I think one can is like $15, but they are so worth it to me. I like taking my clothes out of the dryer, and not only do they smell clean, but they smell scented. I use a lot of these to the point where like every time my family smells these, they're like, it smells like Jarrell, because she uses so much of these. And I'm like, oh my God, I kind of love that. Like, I love that they smell these scent beads and think of me. Again, it's just something extra to add to your routine. Like when I put on this shirt, I was like, oh, it smells really good. They have a ton of different scents. I think this one is vanilla and like fresh linen. So it smells, again, warm scented, but also really clean and fresh. I also tried like a rose one, an ocean one. So anyway, you guys, oh my God, I've been filming this video for like 2 hours. Thank you so much to everyone who stayed until the end of this video. I love you guys so, so much. I love talking about this stuff. I honestly always wanted to be that girl that smells really good and like you're so curious about their body care and their perfume that they use. If there is anything I missed, definitely let me know in the comments. And also, if you want more videos like this, definitely let me know. This was all centered around smelling edible, like vanilla, brown sugar, cocoa butter, like smelling like a dessert. But if you guys are wanting to smell like candy or like flowers, like any other scent, let me know, because I can make a specific video about those too. I have just been so interested in smelling like a dessert lately. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. I love you all so, so much. Thank you for watching until the very end of this video, and I will see you guys soon. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.